That's the man with the white beard. And so 30, I said maybe 34, so.
Paman boss, bili kon para matanaw ni siya. Boss.
Good morning. Today is cleanup day because that's what you gotta do if you're staying here for a month's time. Well, in my case, I'm here for about 3 months. I really get so, I don't know, fussy about like my hair falling down and some sand. And there's literally a lot of sand everywhere here. So I'm gonna show you, oops, sorry, the camera's falling down. I'm gonna show you what it's like during a not so sunny day. It's a bit rainy, but the weather's nice and cool. Good morning, Kuya. Kayo ba yung nag-aayos ng plumbing din sa loob? Very tricky here because what's happening is there is one supply of water which is there. We dug up 40 feet under, but the problem, sorry, I think the camera's a bit misty. So this is what's happening in Siargao. The problem is if the source is coming from there, it's just one source 40 feet under. That's a well. There's actually so much sand everywhere here. What happens is that one source of water is going to all the rooms here, and I think there's more than 25 rooms here. Let's ask Kuya Nilo. She's Ashley, good morning.
Good morning.
It's a beautiful morning. Kuya Nilo, ilan ang kwarto natin in total dito sa Longay Homestay?
Total all?
Oo.
14.
14. Ah, okay. 14 lang. Kasi parang ang dami.
14 siya kasi mayroon pa ko doon, dalawa, tapos 4 plus 8.
Ah, okay. 14. Cool. Dami din. Good morning, Ella.
Good morning.
It's been a fun night last night. She cooks great. Okay, so with that 14 units, there's just one source of water, so the pump has to be really strong. So aside from all the rooms here, there are more rooms actually at the back. And so what happens is when the pressure is too strong, the pipes broke, and this is what happened. Da-da-da-da. This is just what reality is like, or what life is like in Siargao. Nothing will go perfect when you are handling accommodations, or if that's your business. You just never know when a pipe might explode. And so we were told that the pipes have been here for 17 years, so that's actually good already. So we're assuming that since these are new pipes, they probably will last another 17 years, hopefully, fingers crossed. Toot toot. Sleepy. Aww. Takot siya sa drone. When I flew it, umiiyak siya. Ayaw niya. The poor Sud is... These guys stay intact for a while. It's a bit rainy right now. Welcome to Whitebeard, and there's no name. It's such a, I don't know, unassuming place. But we were told that the coffee here is good. Let's check it out. Nice place to check out if you're around this area. This is by the church, by the Palenque here at General Luna. Oh my gosh, yeah, this is full of milk for sure. We're not supposed to cheers now, pero cheers. I should mix it. I should really mix it first. I'm interested. On my way to the CR, which is here, I saw these pictures of coffee, and then I asked barista, anong name nyo? Jomar. And then Al, tell me nga, what's this ano yung sa loob? Pwede natin i-check. Okay lang ba? Okay.
Pero di pa yan tapos.
Okay, hindi pa siya finished. It's not finished yet. Anong tawag? Anong name?
Creamy Cloud9.
Creamy Cloud9.
White brew.
White brew. And what makes it special? Kasi
nasabi lang namin ano siya, hinihanin lang talaga. Kasi meron siya yung secret ingredients na.
Secret? Hindi pwede sabihin. Oh my god. So, there's a secret ingredient we can't say, but it has honey. Tapos kailangan siya na 2 days mag-marinate.
One day. Buka pa, para bukas yan po.
Okay. Sige.
For tomorrow po.
May reason ako bumalik para matry. Bukas, anong oras na-ready siya?
Punta ka na dito mga 7 in the morning po.
7 in the morning. Baka Oo. Baka maubusan. Ito lang yung available. Wala na. Oh, yeah, we're gonna try it. It looks so good. Feeling nice. Parang may cinnamon, ano? Maybe that's one of the secret ingredients.
Espresso lang yun.
Espresso. Thank you. Ay, CR time. Because from here, we're gonna check out the palengke and buy some saging. Hello! Wow, kita yung kitchen. Wow, ano yan? Bread? Kasi alam mo, gusto sana mag-order ko ng bread. Tapos hindi daw available.
Bukas na.
Ubus na. Shucks. Ang bilis ma-sold out, ano? Okay lang i-video konti, gano'n. Ang dami. Ilang itlog yan? 22! So, they're making freshly made bread here, which is so cool. So, if you come to Whitebeard, you're gonna find locally made bread. And inside there's 22 egg yolks. Galing! Thank you! That's amazing. Everything is made locally. Check them out. I'll see you at the palengke or wherever we end up.